Alright, welcome back to our compost area. Fresh layer of leaves on top. Refuse right below. Looking good. About 2.5 feet tall probably. I mean, it's good. So here we have our second compost pile that we built. It's flattened out a lot. It's lost a lot, but it just looks great. I mean, look at this stuff. Let's see if we can... Alright, yeah. So, very healthy. Lots of insect life in here. I just saw a spider. Got those like little earwig looking things and all kinds of stuff running through these piles. So, I know it's full of life. Lots of little beetles and roaches and ants. So that's looking really good. Now over here is where our first compost pile was built, and it's completely spread out now over in like the blueberry orchard and plums and the pawpaws and everything. But down here in the soil, like look how just like crumbly that is. You know, it's not compacted soil. Your fungi, the mycelial roots will really go down and penetrate and break up compacted soils. I mean, just having a compost pile does so much when you've used all the compost. You know, like the soil afterwards is beautiful because we can just walk a few steps over here and just look under the grass, and it's just... it's hard to see, but it's basically just hard clay. Just very compacted, more prone to holding water during heavy rains, which we do get some heavy rain. So it's incredible to have the compost working to help your soil directly under the compost pile, and you move your compost piles around. So we started right here with our first one. We did our second one back here. Our third one over here. So we'll probably do our fourth one right here where I'm standing. So we end up with a nice looking square. That right there is our pile of fully composted horse manure. There's some potted plants. We got some jelly palm and Mexican plum. It's a plum native to Mexico and Texas. And a little bit in southwest Louisiana in the range. So we're going to try it over here in eastern Louisiana and see how it is. Yep, I guess I'm just rambling at this point. But that's the compost. It's incredible. Healthy soil. And you can really take a poor soil and enrich it a lot by making your own compost. It's an integral part, healthy soils. You have healthy soil and you get to grow healthy plants in your garden. So definitely worth getting into composting if you're not already.